With the number of COVID-19 cases increasing every day in India, the total cases climbed to 29,435 in the last 24 hours. With over 60 deaths reported in the last 24 hours, India's total tally of COVID-19 deaths stands at 934. 6,868 people have recovered from the virus so far. With India recording 1,463 COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours, the country's capital Delhi breached the 3,000 mark with 190 new cases added to its tally. This has led to the neighbouring state of Haryana tightening its borders with the national capital. Union Health and Family Welfare Ministry has issued new guidelines for COVID-19 isolations. These fresh guidelines will apply to people who are isolating themselves at their residences. The guidelines asks for people with mild COVID-19 symptoms who are in the pre-symptomatic phase to opt for home isolation if they have a requisite self-isolation facility at their residence. Health Minister of Delhi Satyendra Jain visited a plasma donation centre in Narela of North Delhi. The facility has received blood plasma donations from 25 COVID-19 patients who had recovered. The total number of containment zones in Delhi reached 99 as 2 more areas were sealed in the national capital. The containment areas are Pilanji village and several streets in South Delhi. In order to get desealed, the areas have to report 0 COVID-19 cases. Cops and locals clashed in Ambala after the body of an elderly woman who might have been infected with COVID-19 was brought to a designated cremation ground in the area. Police stood firm as the land was a designated cremation ground. As the term of 40-member Bodoland Territorial Council expired, Governor's rule was imposed in the area. The term of the members had expired as no elections could be held due to the outbreak of COVID-19. The Andhra Pradesh government has resorted to aggressive testing in several red zones as the cases spiked in the state. The state is currently testing 1,396 people per million compared to the national average of 480 per million. Journalists reporting on COVID-19 in Assam can heave a sigh of relief as the state government announced 50 lakh rupees worth of insurance cover. The announcement was made by Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal, who stressed that journalists are also frontline warriors in the battle against COVID-19.